Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have a clip on the timeline, so start by selecting the exact range you want stabilized. Open Effects and drag Warp Stabilizer onto the clip. Premiere will analyze automatically. While it analyzes, make sure motion and position keyframes are not locked, otherwise the effect can conflict. Set smoothness to 50% as a baseline. This balances correction with natural movement. Once analysis finishes, preview playback. If edges crop, you'll adjust scale and framing next. Keep notes of extreme pans versus subtle handheld shake. Once Warp Stabilizer has analyzed, change the result to either smooth motion for retained camera feel or no motion to lock framing. Choose based on intent. Next, pick the method. Position, scale, rotation for light shakes. Subspace warp for rolling or perspective issues, but note it can distort edges. Reduce smoothness in small steps. Try 10 or 25 first, then 0. 5 increments if you need micro adjustment. Also toggle detailed analysis if your clip has complex motion. This makes corrections more accurate but slower. Finish by inspecting edges and motion artifacts in full playback. If cropping feels too tight, lower smoothness or change framing to stabilize only. This preserves more of your image. Make manual keyframe corrections for small remaining jitters. You can also enable auto-scale to recover edges, but that crops more. If strange warps or rolling artifacts appear, nest the clip and reapply Warp Stabilizer on the nested sequence. This often resolves conflicts. Finally, render the segment and check at full resolution to confirm the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.